my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today I come up with an interesting activity. Must be excited? I know you are always ready to learn new things. Let's start. See, what are these? These are balloons. Everybody loves to play with balloons. I also love to play with balloons. So, let's count how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 balloons. Now, I'm going to burst 2 balloons out of them. 1, 2. So kids, how many balloons are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons are left with me. Let's see one more example. There are 6 cups on a tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am going to take away 5 cups from the tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids, how many cups are remaining on the tray? Let's count. Yes, only 1 cup is left on the tray. 6 cups are on the tray. 5 cups are taken away from the tray. So we have only 1 cup remaining on the tray. 6 taken away 5 is equal to 1. So kids, how do you come to know about the answer? Which mathematical operation we have used to calculate the answer? Yes, we have used subtraction. Now, let us learn what is subtraction. Subtraction means to take away and to remove. When few objects are taken away from the group, we subtract to find out the counts of remaining objects. And we use minus sign to subtract 2 numbers. And the answer is called difference. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And 1 is called difference. So kids, subtraction means to take away and to remove. And answer is called difference. Let's do subtraction sums through fun learning game. Are you ready? For this, we need white sheet, sketch pen, scale and counters of Ludo game. First, take a white sheet and make a grid on it with the help of scale and sketch pen like this. Let's start. Suppose I got 8 chocolates for my children. I told my elder son to give 3 out of them to my younger son. So, let's help him to do that. 8 minus 3 is equal to what? find out. I have some counters here. Now I am going to place them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I told my elder son to give 3 chocolates to my younger son. Let's remove 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. I have removed these 3 counters. How many chocolates are left with my elder son? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we get? Yes, 5 chocolates. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. I gave 8 chocolates to my elder son and told him to give 3 chocolates to his younger brother. So 5 chocolates are left with him. So kids, isn't it easy and interesting way to find out the answer? Let's try one more. Suppose there are 15 objects and we want to take away 4 from it. See, how do we do it? First, let's place 15 counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's count and check it whether we have done it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many do we take out from 15? Yes, 4. Let's remove 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have removed these 4 counters. So how many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Right? 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Let's do one more example. 9 minus 2 is equal to what? See, how do we find the answer? Now I am going to place 9 counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do we have to take out from 9? Yes, 2 counters. So, let's remove 2 counters. 1, 2. So, kids, how many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 counters are left. So, answer is 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. My dear kids, you can also do this. are some subtraction sums for you. Create your own paper grid and do this calculation with the help of counters. Bye bye. Have a nice day.